Welcome to the Finances, Money Matters, the podcast where we talk about all things related to finance and investment. Today we shall continue with the episode 5. In this episode, we shall share with you how to negotiate your salary and benefits with your employer. Here are the next steps and tips to guide you through the process. Thirdly, choose the right time and medium to initiate the negotiation. Timing and mode of communication are crucial factors in salary and benefits negotiation. You should choose a time when your employer is in a good mood, has enough time to listen to you, and is aware of your value and contributions. For example, you can initiate the negotiation after a successful project, a positive performance review, or a new budget cycle. You should also choose a medium that is appropriate and comfortable for both parties. For example, you can request a meeting in person, by phone, or by video call, depending on the situation and your relationship with your employer. You should avoid negotiating by email or text, as they can lack tone and clarity and lead to misunderstandings. Fourthly, prepare and practice your negotiation script. Before you enter the negotiation, you should prepare and practice what you are going to say and how you are going to say it. You should have a clear and concise script that outlines your main points, such as your achievements, your value, your salary and benefits expectations, and your reasons for asking for more. You should also anticipate and prepare for possible objections, questions, or counter-offers from your employer and have ready responses and alternatives. You should practice your script with a friend, a mentor, or a coach and get feedback on your content, tone, and body language. Practicing your script can help you improve your confidence, clarity, and persuasion skills. Thank you for listening to the Finances Money Matters. We shall continue with the next episode, and we hope you learned something valuable today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast, leave us a review, and share it with your friends. See you in the next episode.